yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Azin Siraj, come here and you have to introduce yourself.
I am Azim Siraj. I am coming from Vailatur. My ambition is to become a scientist. I am 9 years old. I am a student. My favorite color is black. That's all about. Thank you.
Okay, very good. You can go. Who is next? Come here. Okay, you have to introduce yourself.
My name is Shahid. I am coming from Koyor. I am 10 years old. I am a student. My ambition to become a pilot. My favorite food is roast. My favorite color is blue. That's all about me.
Okay, very good. Who is next? Okay, did you understand how to introduce yourself?
Yes.
Okay. In our previous class?
Yes.
What was subject? Okay, play a activity.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. A, B, C, B, C.
A group move right side and B group move left side. Okay, I will give you some. Listen here. I will give you some words and you have to make sentences. Okay? Maximum 3 sentences. Okay. Please take 3 actions. Only 3 actions. Okay. And you have to take 3 actions. Okay. Are you ready? First A group, come on. And please you have to make a sentence. Yes. Please you have to read. Say loudly. Okay, very good. And next. Please you have to read. Say loudly. Okay, very good. And next. Please read. Okay, very good. You can go. Are you ready? Okay. You have to make a sentence. Come here. Loudly. Okay, you can go next. Okay, let us wind up our class.